Hey guys, it's Queen here. Today I'll be showing you how I customize this beautiful frontal wig from Plucking, baby hairs, and more. Well, first, the wig came in this box right here. The box says RPGHair.com. That's where you can purchase this wig. It also came with 2 cards. One card says Merry Christmas, and the other card has different ways you can be featured on their hair page. This is the curl texture before it's wet. Here I'm showing you that I pre-bleached the frontal. If you would like to see another video of me bleaching and tinting, please comment and let me know. This is what it looks like inside the wig. The wig has 4 combs. It has 3 at the top, 1 at the bottom. It also has an adjustable band where you can adjust it to your exact head size. Also, it has a tab on the back so that it can look more natural if you wanted to put your hair up in a ponytail. This is a method that I use basically just so I can see what I'm plucking and what it looks like on an actual skin color. Because sometimes when you pluck on the head, you don't really see what you're plucking. I have so much color, I have so much bleach, I have so much things in my wig cap that sometimes it distracts me from seeing the actual hairline itself. Here I'm just putting the wig on the head, making sure that it is in line and secure so that when I am plucking and combing the hair, the wig won't fall off the head. Here I am wetting the wig just so I can see what the wig looks like when it's in its natural state. Also just so I can see what I should be plucking and what I shouldn't be plucking. And it's always easy to wet the hair first just so you can have a better view of what you're plucking. Because sometimes when the hair is dry, you don't really get to see what exactly you're plucking. I like to take the baby hairs out first just so I don't over pluck. I like to do the back first, then get started on the front after. When plucking, make sure that you don't pluck in the same spot. I like to go up and down, basically in an up and down motion, and just comb as I go. You never want to stay in the same spot because if you stay in the same spot, it will cause balding in your cap. And once you are bald in your cap, honey, it ain't no going back. Once you get the first section to look how you want to look, then you part the next section and you get started on that part. You never want to keep plucking in the same part because, again, that will cause your lace to bald and you do not want that. So what I like to do is I like to start from the front to the back and then leave the baby hairs last. Here's a perfect example of what your wig should look like once you pluck one side. You always want to pluck the sides thinner than the top because it causes the wig to look more natural. If the sides is thick and the top is thick, people are going to automatically know that it's a wig. When you get to the baby hairs, you want to be very careful with how you pluck the baby hairs because if you pluck too much, again, you won't have any baby hairs. So make sure that you're plucking very cautiously when it's time for the baby hairs. You don't want the top to be too thin because no one here is thin at the top. So you want the sides to be thinner than the top. Everything else is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'll shut up. But stay tuned for my next video. Bye, guys. Love you.